Okay, now what if we had a totally different question? So what if we talked about what is the acceleration of the particle in the electric field? Okay, now we're actually going to want to go do the harder thing that I was talking about before. So we probably want, if we want to get to the acceleration, well, we're going to start thinking here. F equals ma. We know the mass, but we don't know the force. Okay, how can we go get the force? Well, if we knew the electric field strength, we could go get the force, because force is equal to the electric field strength times the charge. And you know the charge, and it'd be great, we want to find this, so it'd be great if we knew the electric field. We don't know the electric field. So what could possibly get us the electric field that we might have? Well, V is equal to E times D, where you would be solving for the electric field strength. We know the potential difference there. And D would be this L. D is always the distance between these guys, okay? If you're ever going to use VED, D can only ever be the distance between the plates, not how far the particle is moving in this situation. So we have this, let's give us some room here. So voltage we're looking for E, D is L. So the electric field strength would be V divided by L. All right, good. So now we can go for the force. So force was equal to E times the charge. In this situation, the force is equal to E was this V over L, so V over L, and the charge was E. Notice that even though the charge is an electron and it's negative, I am not putting the negative in there. Why? Because force is a vector. And in vectors, we're not going to worry about the positive and negative in this situation. We're going to worry more about the direction things are going. And we know which way the thing is going to go. We know which way the force is acting. It's going to pull it this way. So don't need to worry about it. So we now have the force. So, okay, we got the force, V, blah, blah. Okay, so now we have the force. So we can go after V acceleration using F is equal to ma. We're curious about the A, so we can solve for it. The force, we're going to plug it in there, V, E over L, O over M. We're going to do the flippy thing. I forget what you guys say, but let's flip it up. Okay, is equal to V, E over L, M. Oh, and that's mass electron. And ta-da!